Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and overview of my new S22 Plus 256GB variant. It's a black color phone and I got that in the new FOMO sale, which recently I think it is going on still, and got it for a great discount on exchange of my OnePlus 6, the old phone. And so without further delay, let's begin the show. So guys, finally our parcels are here. These are the two boxes. One has the S22 Plus 256GB variant, black color, and one is because of the unfortunate situation that we don't get a charger, so I have to order a charger. So let's open the charger first. So here is the bill and this is the charger. 25 watt. Let me open this. Let me adjust the exposure. Give me a minute. Yeah, so 25 watt PD charger. This is from Samsung, so I ordered it on the same samsung.com website. So travel adapter, it says the pricing as, where is the pricing? Yeah, it says 1699, but I got it for around 900 rupees. So this is the 25 watt PD adapter which we'll be using. Let's unbox it and see. Generally it's the only adapter. Let me get my cutter and scissors. I'll be back. Alright, back. So this is the 25 watt PD charger. Let's open it. There is a seal here. Or if we can open this. Let's break the seal. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, you get a tray thing, and this is the charger. This is a travel adapter and it's 25 watt, so really small. It says super fast charging. Great. Type C port and some information written about the voltage and how much it will pull off the current and all. But this is the adapter, and I believe we don't get anything else in the box. Yeah, that's it. No documents, nothing, just the charger. Cool. Let's keep this aside. So our first box unboxing is done. Now let's do the main product. And here it is. Unfortunately, a slim trimmed box, S22 Plus, and all the information here. 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM, phantom black color. This is out of stock, guys. Actually, at this point of time when I'm making the video, I got this on samsung.com, but on the corporate website. So Samsung and Nvidia has some tie-up, and due to that I was able to get this availability. Otherwise it's all out of stock. I had also visited the Samsung store and it's out of stock there as well. So if you see, let me adjust the camera one sec. All right, yeah. So if you see, the pricing here is 1,05,999, but surprisingly, shockingly, with an exchange, of course, I got this for 45,000 on an average. So I got instant discount of 10,000. I got exchange bonus of 10,000. I returned my OnePlus 6, which I got about 7,500, and also 10,000 off was the actual discount which was applied on this. So the actual price was around 84,000 something, which came down directly to 45,000. So I got this for final 45,000. and definitely some corporate discount was applicable. And let's unbox. Let's break the seal. Let's keep all this aside, and ooh, this is the phone here. Sleek. It feels like a metal thing I'm holding. Literally feels premium. Armor aluminium, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, triple camera setup, and full HD 120Hz. So squarish design slightly. I have a SIM ejector here, speaker, type C port, and volume rockers, and power on off button. And on the top you have the microphone, and on the left side you have nothing. Feels really premium. A big phone, plus variant. It has 4500 milliamps battery, and it supports 45 watt fast charging, though 45 watt fast charger was out of stock and is out of stock everywhere wherever I see. So I had got this 25 for time being, and probably will go over 45 watt later. Alright, this is the main device, and what else we get in the box? This is nothing. Small case, small box, no case basically, no screen guard too. We have to apply some tempered glass or whatever. Some paperwork. Warranty stuff. This is Indian, and there's a type C to type C cable, which we can use it with the adapter. So we'll plug it here and we'll use it. So that's it for this unboxing, guys. I'll boot this device up and I'll show you the initial impressions, how it looks. I'm not removing this top plastic, as I'll get a cover for it, a case and a tempered glass, and then probably I'll remove it and start using it. So let me turn it on. I believe it has some power. Oh yes, it has. Samsung Galaxy, powered by Knox. So let me boot this up, because I need to add some accounts, this and that, check if I'll get some updates and all, and I'll show you after booting. Oops, this is great. Nice animation. So that's 53% battery, and this is how it looks. The screen, hole punch in the center, and edge to edge screen. As you can see, there are hardly any bezels. So let me set it up and come back, guys. Alright guys, here is the device, and I've already given you the physical overview, cameras and the main screen, and this is how it looks. It looks great. I've put my fingerprint, as you can see. This is the ultrasonic fingerprint reader, and it's really fast, and this is how it looks. And I already got an update. I think it already downloaded, so, and it's finishing some setup, payment requirements. I did my Google login, Samsung login, and Netflix came out of the box, and I guess some Microsoft apps, LinkedIn was there, Office and all, and it installed the Samsung Shop app and the Google Meet, basically this Meet application. So this is what we get, basic stuff, not that much of bloatware. Let's go to the Android version. Where is the settings is here. I'm used to OnePlus. Cool. Software update is available. Super smooth, 120 Hz refresh rate, and about phone. Here are all the details. S22 Plus, legal information, this. Let's go to software update. We have a software update in place. And where is the Android version? Let's go to this, about phone and software information. Yes, One UI 4.1 and Android version 12. As you can see, comes out of the box. It's Android 12, and it has this edge panels, I believe. Yeah, this is the edge panels, so you can put any applications here for quick access toggles and all. So there's the initial impressions, front camera and all. So I'll be applying as you can see, this is a fingerprint magnet, but this is the plastic cover on which it is. This is not a fingerprint magnet, it's a Gorilla Glass Victus, but it has a matte finish. As you can see, the finish over here basically. And we have triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main, 10 megapixel ultra wide, and I believe 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel telephoto. That is your 3x zoom. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll use this device for some time and probably I'll give you a detailed review about it soon. So stay tuned on my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in next video. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very great phone and I got it for the great deal of 45,000. So definitely worth the phone price, and it's a 256GB variant. Definitely go for a 256 if you're going, because the high definition photos from the cameras are really size consuming, or the space consuming thing. So good phone, great battery life. I'll be doing a full review, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified first. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.